Hello guys, welcome to Prathamesh J, and the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro camera comparison part 2 is here. So in this video we are going to do the outdoor comparison test of the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. Part 1 is already done, so you can check in the I button here. So let's get started. So the first photo is taken from the main sensor, that's a 108 megapixel huge sensor, but the photo is beamed down to 12 megapixels. In this photo you get some good photo details, sharpness, but the darker parts are not properly exposed. But when I turn on the HDR mode, the photo becomes so good, like you can now see the details on the black portion and they are really well exposed now. So now in this photo the building portion and the background, that's the sky portion, is also really highlighted well. The photos are really close to natural and they really look good. The second camera we have is the 8 megapixel ultra wide. It does the job very well, but according to the price point, the phone should have a higher megapixel ultra wide for more better light intake and the richer photos. This does a job well, but it should have been more better. The 108 megapixel mode on this phone works like a charm. You get a really good detailed photo, like there is no need of telephoto lens if you have the 108 megapixel main sensor. So look at it. So I have just zoomed in and this is the 108 megapixel mode, can capture some fabulously good detailed photos that you will actually love. So the main sensor is really worth it. This is the another photo I have captured in the 108 megapixel mode, and then you get really good details. Just check it out. Now just look at this photo. This photo feels like you have really used a high DSLR, but no. This photo is also captured from the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro, and then you can actually digitally zoom it till 10x, and this is the photo. Now the portrait mode also does its job well. The edge separation of the human subject is amazing. The details, the skin tone is well properly balanced, resulting out a better portraits. The selfie camera is a 20 megapixel selfie shooter and it does its job really well. The sunlight that is coming from the behind is also really well balanced. Xiaomi tends to just sharpen the photos so that really look good, and it does the job really well. The phone has got a dedicated macro camera which is of a 5 megapixel and it can shoot between 2 to 10 centimeters. That's an actually good macro camera, and you get some really fantabulous results like this. So now the last point is of the night mode capabilities. The phone has a dedicated night mode and it's really awesome. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it has done its job. Due to the huge sensor on the back, the phone can actually take great night shots. Just take a look, and just talking about the night selfies, the photo is grainy but actually well balanced, so you can take really good night selfies too. The Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro camera comparison has been done in two parts. Part 1 is of indoor lighting conditions and the part 2 is the outdoor lighting conditions. So should you buy this phone for the camera purpose if you are looking for a really good cameras? So yes, it's a really good deal, but there are other options like the Samsung S20 Fan Edition. Then you have the iPhone 12. I think so it will be coming in the sale in this price point. That's 45k price point, and you have the iPhone 11 too, and also the newly launched Samsung S21 Fan Edition. They also have a really good camera system, but should you consider this? Yes, they are the really good cameras, and you can buy this phone really good. It's really good phone. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video.